Hoi allemaal, welcome terug op mijn kanaal. Today, we are going to tutorial number 15, nay, 16 of the palette focus of the Natasha Denona's gold palette. The past few, I think once I hit 10, I was doing kind of like these smoky looks, these one and done type of things with maybe one or two. But I think today I actually want to go into something a little bit more different. Today I actually want to see, oh, what is that? My. I might do brass all over the eyelid with Python in the outer corner to do a little smoke. And I'm gonna dip into, who is this by actually? This is the Bad Habit Cult Mania. These were the dupes of the Pat McGrath Mothership palettes. And this is like a dupe of the bronze. But I actually want to put this on top of maybe the brass or whatever I'm going to put down, because this actually has a little bit of that lime green flip in it. So I'm kind of curious as to what that will do. And for my last video, number 16, 17, what number am I on? 16, 17. I am going to go ahead and do the Utopian Dream, the one of the astral shades that has that lime green flip in it. That will be the end of it. 17 tutorials. We are good to go and move on from here. So without further ado, let me go get my eyes prep and we will get into this tutorial. Alrighty then, so the eyes are prepped and I hope they look like twins or somewhat related. Gonna go ahead and prep the eyes with the eyeshadow pro filter. Fenty Beauty's eyeshadow pro filter. Wow. Pro filter eyeshadow primer. Wow, why was that so hard to get out? Okay. And I think I'm almost up with this one. I mean, there's still quite a few in there, but I got two more backups. Thank goodness. I think I got those two when I was in London this past, well, this is going to be in 2025. So in the spring of 2024 is when I went to London for the first time. Gorge. But we're going to go ahead and prep everything. And I'm debating if I want to do brass for this one or maybe even lime chrome. Nay, lime crime? Lime chrome. Lime crime is a makeup brand. Oh, come on, sorry, let's get it together. Anywho, this is where we are at. So, what do I want to do today? Let us do, we're gonna do brass actually, because the lime chrome I could use for the last video for the Utopian Dream one. So without further ado, we're gonna go in with a flat brush. Actually, you know what, let's do the crease first. Let us do a Z crease and we're gonna go into sandstone for Araya. And we're gonna go ahead and put that right in the crease and buff it out. Like I said, this is such a whisper of a color, which is perfect for doing some smoky, dramatic looks. And I swear, I kind of want to dip back into the Tropic palette, possibly maybe next year, or not next year, this year in 2025. Just do random mini tutorials for the TikTok and such. But we shall see. Alright, so Araya in the crease. See what I mean? Just a whisper of some. And let's go and get a little bit more definition in the edges on the outer V. Perfect. Now with the flat brush, we're gonna go into brush. We'll get some brush. Some really good brush. Don't worry, I worry about myself too. Jezus, goedverdomme. So this is gonna go right into the main inner corner, basically. Oh God, this is like so metallic. This is like liquid. This is straight up just liquid gold. I swear. I swears. Obviously get a little bit in the inner corner. Perfect. Make both sides look like they are related. I would love to do a shoot with this, just like mix with some oil or something and just all over the body. Because I wonder how much dimension that will bring to the shoot, to the beauty. All right, perfect. Brass is on. Brass is brass. And I'm gonna go with my fingertip and just go ahead and just really get it up in chia. Up in chia. Ooh. Oh God, it's just like so much of this just goes, so much of this. A little bit of this goes such a long ways, which I do love. Now, with the liner brush, we're gonna go into Python. Or log, Python. And just create a wing, basically. I swear, the teals in this, especially this Python cream to powder, het is echt mooi. Echt mooi, jongens. Because was it, didn't Metropolis palette or something like that also have some greens? Was it Metropolis? Ik denk ik. Ik weet het niet. Oh. Oh. I swear, I always get nervous doing like wings again after not doing it for 2 weeks. This is something that has to be done consistently to keep the groove going. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. And it doesn't help that both eyelids are different sizes. Oh my God, this is echt mooi. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Now, I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and just begin to fluff the edges out, because I know with this one it's gonna go into the crease a little bit, so might as well get it up in there. And I think for the brow bone highlight, I just might do Kava is what we will do. Keep it with that beige tone going on. Oh my God, this teal though. Should I switch out this teal for something else and keep it? No, Cyrus, you don't need it. I don't need it. I don't. Ik geen het niet. I swear, it's a struggle. I'm getting there, but ik geen het niet. I don't need it. I do not need it. Ik geen het niet. I hope that is right. Oh my gosh. Nee, het geen het niet. Ik geen het niet nodig. Ik denk no. It's, don't quote me on that. My Dutch is just as good as my Spanish. No bueno. Maar ik ben praten meer these days than before, so Jesus, it's a struggle. We're gonna get right into it, Kava. Let's just forget what I just said, because that was all sorts of tragicness. Kava for the brow bone because we want to keep that golden beige still going around. Oh, deze ook echt mooi. Of deze echt mooi ook. Jezus. Now, for the grand finale, we are going to go into Hysteria, which is going to be that. Should I go? I'm going to go with the brush first. And we will see what this. Oh, my word, y'all. Oh, Jesus. Fucking hell, that is gorgeous. That is a lot of hysteria, that's for sure. Oh, my word. Don't get me wrong. It is not Pat McGrath's formulation, obviously. But the finish, could you really tell the difference? No, not really. Hysteria, y'all. This is hysterical. Well, not really, but look at this. Look at that. Oh. Oh. The Bronze Seduction Mothership 5 is still on my radar to get. And Mothership 1 Subliminal is still on my radar. And also the Midnight Sun is also on my radar to get. But since I have these bad habits, I don't have it they didn't even come out with the Midnight Sun, but the Bronze Seduction and the Subliminal are heavy on my radar after I go through these dupe palettes. But maybe towards the end of next year, once I pass all of my inburgering, ik denk ik wil misschien give myself those. Gefeliciteerd. Wait, did I say it right? Gefeliciteerd? Ik denk dat is how je praten. How you say it. Because I always say gefeliciteerd, but ik denk it is gefeliciteerd. 4 years of getting that wrong. Gefeliciteerd. Oh, Jesus. Anyways, tutorial number 16. Like I said, I have one more, and I think the last one I will probably do log, or maybe going with some black to really get this dramaticness. To be quite honest, what is the other one? The Mystics of this one that has the black. This one's also really, this deep eggplant really punches a color. 17.8 grams divided by 10. That's actually a lot of product, to be quite honest. Bad Habit, Cult Mania. I gave my other ones away because I was just like, I have the Subversive, I have the Subliminal, and I have started using those. There's really no point of keeping the other ones, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and you guys will see the final look in a moment. All right, y'all. This is the final look, tutorial number 16. Look at that, bam. Skin, bam. Texture, bam. A lot of pores, bam. But, love this. This is so gorgeous. This is very, very beautiful. And I mean, is this yeah, I went... Foundation is Christian Dior's Forever Glow in 4N. Still going strong with this one. Just using deeper foundation since I'm still like facial tan for now. Don't look at my neck. Oh my god, that is a huge difference. Highlighter. NARS. I still can't get over that. It's so beautiful. And Bombshell is what I use for the highlighter in this one. It is a little too light for me when I wear 4N. 3N, it's still a little too light also. But for the most part, I could get away with it. Bronzer is Airbrush Flawless Bronzer and 3tan. I'm trying to think, what else do I have on? A blush. Who remembers these? Becca Mineral Blush and Nightingale. And this actually kind of reminds me of the very trend that is going on right now. A lot of the plum blushes. And this packs a punch. Even using the Pat McGrath blush brush, it really packs a lot of punch. So yeah, careful with that one. I have 4 of their blushes. I think 2 of them are more of the... I have Fox Glow, Songbird, Snapdragon, and Nightingale are the 4 that I have from Becca. So, brows are still Benefit. Lips, Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk with Pat McGrath's Opulous Gloss on top and Pale Fine Nectar. Concealer is still the same. Flash Luminizer in 003 by Christian Dior. Vanish Color Corrector by Charlotte Tilbury in 2 medium. And then I have the Skin Radiance, where is it? Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer at 8.5 medium from Charlotte Tilbury. Still going strong with this one. I do love that one a lot. And actually, under the foundation, under the concealer, I actually set with the NARS Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Setting Powder Press. So I have this under my concealer, and on top of my concealer, I actually set with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder into medium. So, and Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray for the for the set, and yeah. So, tutorial number 16. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, I am digging this. I definitely have one more tutorial on me for this one. So I will see you guys in next video. Got some amazing things coming this year, especially for my website, rebranding, and I will have a beauty section on my Instagram page as well. And not my Instagram page, obviously I have an Instagram page of beauty, but on my website, so you guys can actually see my top picks of what I use for a lot of shoots, tutorials on my website, also for male and female models, for aspiring makeup artists, you know, whatever, yada yada. And my finger got affected, so I'm like, does it need to be popped again? But without further ado, as usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits, and I will see you guys next video.